just wish Jack to be a good girl always. Okay, thank you.
Wow. I wish Nelson.
Oh my God.
I wish Nelson's a good boy.
I wish.
I have a
And
message
last
for
but not least,
Chester.
as always, parents will have to also give message to everyone, and especially to our daughters. Let's start with the Daddy, the
Yeah.
lucky one.
Yeah.
We waited for 3 years to have this girl, and right now I want to break her. No, she's very pretty, so she looks like a boy sometimes, and always have a top up around 2 o'clock in the morning. No, thank you very much for coming, and I hope to see you later when we do something else. And guys, the baby, she doesn't have a big bike pa. Easy. Guys, thank you very much for coming, and nothing more to say.
That's right. We do appreciate that everyone here, everyone's present. We thank you all. You guys, as we actually convey on this souvenir we put there, that this celebration is a special darkest. So thank you everyone for coming. Alright. And of course, next number will be some number from
Kevin.
Bigfoot. No, okay, Kevin. Who wants to sing?
Number.
You can help yourself again, guys. Andre? Except Baba Blanc, okay?
Tak mo na. Tak.
Alam ko lang bayan mag-ilaw.
Ano na? Yung mic mo na host the game ka na ba?